there are people who do it inverted, reverse tithing.
90%.
Si Rick Warren, he lives on 10% and gives away 90%. There are other Christians who set up their companies na their goal is to give how much
Actually,
year?
yung recently, nung nasa bisita natin sa CCF, this American businessman, ang company niya is worth $1 billion. Ang goal niya is to give $1 million a month. Okay? Yan ang goal ng company. Tapos, actually, ang ginawa niya, yung shares niya, turn over niya sa isang Christian organization na parang trust fund, na sila may hawak ng shares niya. So, binabayaran lang niya sarili niya ng sweldo, although $1 billion yung company, pero pinaubayan na niya sa iba yung kita tsaka yung ownership ng company niya. So, yun ang New Testament. Yan ang talagang, it's not, hindi siya dekahon na 10%. But we're finding so many examples of New Testament giving, cheerful giving, that goes way beyond 10%.
And if I remember it right, his goal is to give 1 million a month, pero ang income niya a month is only $100,000.
Hindi. Ang sweldo niya,
Ayun.
sa sarili niya, is
Yun na nga.
100,000 a year.
A year,
A year.
oh,
Yan ang
di
binabayaran
less
sa sarili
pa.
niya. So,
Less
he's
pa, 100,000
giving
a year.
$12 million a year.
Tapos
elsewhere.
siya, 100,000 a year na.
Oo. Ayan. So, thank you for the question.